A very warm welcome again with another exciting video, and today we will deal with exercise 1.2 of ninth class. So don't skip this video and watch it till the end. And the question number 1 is, from the following matrix identify unit matrix, row matrix, column matrix and null matrix. The part A of question number 1 is called to be zero matrix because all the entries in this matrix are zero. The part B of question number 1 is called to be row matrix because it has a one row. And the part C of question number 1 is called to be column matrix because it represents a column. And the part D of question number 1 is called to be identity matrix because all the entries in its diagonal are 1. And the part E of question number 1 is called to be zero matrix because it has one entry which is 0. And the part F of question number 1 is called to be column matrix because it is also represent a column. And now our question number 1 has been completed, and now we will move towards our next question. And our question number 2 is, from the following matrix identify square matrix, rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix, identity matrix and null matrix. As you know, here in question number 2, we need to find out the categories of different matrix, and I have got 3 matrix seems to be like square matrix. And now I have got another 3 matrix which are exactly seems to be like rectangular matrix. And now I have got in question number 2 another 2 types of matrix, which is number 3rd is row matrix and number 4th is column matrix. And now I have got another 2 types of matrix in question number 2, which is number 5th identity matrix and number 6th zero or null matrix. And now we will simply move towards our next and the third question. And the question number 3rd is, from the following matrix identify diagonal, scalar and unit matrix. So here if we can see clearly towards our question number 3rd, so we can find out that all the parts like A, B, C, D and E clearly represents the diagonal matrix because they all fits on the category of diagonal matrix. As we are very well aware with the definition of diagonal matrix, that is, at least any one of the entries in its diagonal is not 0 is called to be diagonal matrix. And now we will move towards our question number 4th. So question number 4th is, find negative of matrix A, B, C, D and E when. And now we will solve out our question number 4th, which is find out the negative of A, B, C and D. And the part A of question number 4th is A is equal to 1, 0 and minus 1. For solving this question, we will multiply all the entries of this matrix with this negative sign, and the answer will become minus 1, 0 and positive 1. And now we will solve out our part B, which is positive 3, negative 1, positive 2 and positive 1. For solving this question, we will again multiply the negative sign with all the entries of the matrix, and the answer will become minus 3, positive 1, minus 2 and minus 1. And now we will go through the part C of question number 4th. For solving this question, we will again multiply the negative sign with all the entries of part C. And the things become changed like positive 2 become a negative 2 and a positive 6 becomes a negative 6 and a negative 3 become a positive 3 and a negative 2 become a positive 2. and all the things becomes changed, like positive 2 become a negative 2, and a positive 6 become a negative 6, and a positive 3 become a negative 3, and a negative 2 become a positive 2. And now we will move towards our next part, which is part D. For solving this part, we will again multiply the negative sign with all the entries of part D. And the things becomes changed, like negative 3 become a positive 3, and a positive 2 become a negative 2, and a negative 4 become a positive 4, and positive 5 become a negative 5. And now we will go through our last and the final part of question number 4, which is part E. For solving this question, we will again multiply the negative sign with all the entries of part E. And the all signs will become changed, like positive 1 become a negative 1, and a negative 5 become a positive 5, and a positive 2 become a negative 2, and a positive 3 become a negative 3. So this is the whole chemistry of negative of matrix. And now we will move towards our question number 5. That is, find the transpose of each of the following matrix. Welcome here again with the fifth question, which is to find the transpose of matrix. Transpose means basically is to change rows into column and column into rows. And here we will do the same. And here, as you can see, that in part A, at present part A is a kind of column, but after taking its transpose, the column becomes changed to a row. In the same method we have applied with part B. At present, part B is a kind of row. After taking its transpose, the part B becomes changed a column. And now I have also solved out the part C and D of fifth question. For taking their transpose, I have changed column into rows, and so we got the answer of part C and D. And here again, if you can see that we did the same in part E and F. After taking the transpose of part E, the columns changed to a rows. And also after taking the transpose of F, the columns changed to a rows. So now we have completed our fifth question, and I hope that you understand the transpose of matrix. And now we will start our sixth question. And our sixth question is, verify that if A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, then. The first part of question number 6 is the double transpose of A is equal to A. So we will try to find out that whether this statement is right or wrong. For solving this question, at first we have taken the first transpose of part A, and then we have taken its second transpose. And after taking its second transpose, this matrix same becomes same as part A. So we have got this statement true. And now we will solve out the second part of question number 6, and we'll try to find out that whether this statement is right or wrong. And now after solving this question, we have got this statement true, that double transpose of B is equal to B. As you know that at first we have taken the first transpose of part B, and after taking its double transpose, it becomes changed to a part B. So this means that our statement is true. And now we have completed our exercise 1.2 of 9th class science group. And in next video I will teach you exercise 1.3 of 9th class, and I hope you would like it and wait for my video. If you still do not subscribe to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe it. And keep watching my videos for new, interesting, and enthusiastic content. And take great care of yourself. Till then, wait, take care, and bye bye.